The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com. What's up guys, it's Vinnie. We are here with the Adventures of V-Man. We're downtown Los Angeles at Metcon Method Gym. We are ready to work out with the SHEBEAST. You'll learn more about her in a little bit, but right now, we gotta go get ready. Once we arrived at the Metcon Method Gym, we met with SHEBEAST, also known as Nadege. She is an awesome lady and has an incredible story, and fitness is her life. So HIIT workouts are high intensity interval training. As you'll see in the video, I was very winded and I was very embarrassed.
It's definitely an interval / high intensity workout at the same time. That's why you have short cardio and huge strength, because what we really work here on is having you being the best version of yourself.
I did a mile on the exercise bike prior to just heading straight into those pull-ups. I was fine. She was kindly asking me, oh, do I need assistance with the pull-ups? And I said, no, I got this, no worries. Now, I should have taken the assistance, the little resistance band that she offered me. So we did pull-ups followed by some tricep dips. As soon as the second round came, I was exhausted.
We call it also a functional workout because this is where you want to head towards later. You don't want to be a grandpa that's been doing bodybuilding for 60 years and now you can't scratch your head no more, and now you have all type of injuries, and you want to be able to move easily while going through age.
I was totally out of my element and I felt very, very weak. And in the video, you'll see her giving me a little boost with the pull-ups. It's a little embarrassing, but you know, I couldn't pull myself up because I tried and there was nothing there.
It will balance because you will burn fat while building muscle, because as you can feel yourself, that was like you felt your muscle burn, right? So that's a good balance. It's one of the favorites here at the method.
So after doing 3 sets of the pull-up dip combination, we went to the stair climbing, and I felt like I was in a Rocky movie. It was just up, down, and it was 2 songs of that. You feel like you're in a club in that gym. The music is going and she is fired up, and she's trying to get you as fired up as possible, and you're going to the beat, so you have that rhythm. That was very tiring. I've never done that workout before, but I felt it all over my body, from my back to my shoulders to my legs, my calves, everywhere. It's a full body workout, just that stair climber alone.
So SHEBEAST came after I had went through a lot of stuff in my life. I had to overcome plenty of different type of situations. Like, it's really been a long journey where, being a woman, I had to find the strength to fight for my own and find myself back. And so I had to step back into my power and bring back from the ashes this beast. So that's why SHEBEAST.
So once we finished the stair climber, that was it. That was the end of the workout. I was beat. The goal behind that whole class is that you burn like 700 calories in a matter of 25 to 30 minutes. Now that's pretty crazy, and I definitely felt it. There are quite a few benefits of HIIT workouts. The 2 primary being that it's a combination of strength training and cardiovascular exercise. Most people neglect cardio workouts. That's, you know, treadmills, elliptical machines, exercise bikes, all those things. This, you actually help to build lean muscle, so you're enhancing your muscle strength and your cardio at the same time.
So hi everybody, my name is Nadege, aka SHEBEAST. You are here at the Method DTLA. It's the first Black-owned gym in downtown LA. You can find us on Instagram or the website, themethoddtla.com. We also have our own app when you join, so that you can book every single thing that you want. And that's it, come join us.
I hope you enjoyed watching me get beat up in that workout by SHEBEAST. It was a lot of fun, even though I did complain a lot. I did feel the benefits. Thanks again for watching, and go check out more Adventures of V-Man videos on the Dherbs YouTube channel.